Arc Riders has finally released, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and play it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, you will need to go to Steam, and once you are here, you are going to create an account if you don't have one already, and then just go to this text field right here and search for the game. We have it right here. So once you are here, we can see it has just released yesterday. And if we scroll down, we can see the different editions we can get. So in this case, I'm gonna get this one, the normal one. So let's view my card, then continue to payment. And now just select the payment method you want to use. So in my case, I have some money on my Steam wallet balance, but you can use your credit card, PayPal, or any other method. So scroll down and then click on purchase. Now, once you are here, you are going to click on install content, or you can also go to library and then collections. And you should find the game by searching for it right here. So we can install it and then select the drive where you want to install this game, click install, and the download should begin. So if we click this progress bar at the bottom, we can see more details about the download, and in my case with my internet speed, it should be ready in almost an hour. So that's the process you need to follow to download Arc Riders. Then if you want to get your money back, you can ask for a refund if you have less than 2 hours of playtime. So to do that, you just need to go to your Steam profile, then account details, then you're going to view your purchase history, then go right here where it says Arc Riders, so click right there, and I would like a refund. So if you do this and you have less than 2 hours of playtime, in my case, as you can see, I have no playtime, you can request a refund and they will give it to you. So that's it. That's how you can download and play the new Arc Riders completely for free. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.